The Legacy at Walton Village is an active adult community centrally located in historic Marietta, Georgia. We offer an amenity-rich community that features organized resident activities, an on-site movie theater, billiard room, fitness center, and gorgeously maintained outdoor green spaces. Enjoy the oversized gazebo with an urban vegetable garden. We're a breathe-easy community offering a lifestyle that is active and rewarding for adults 55 and up. Our community offers a wide selection of 1- and 2-bedroom apartment homes. We look forward to welcoming you home.